Good morning, fam. You showed up and your hips are about to thank you. If you've been waking up stiff, tight, or drained before the day even begins, that ends now. In just 5 minutes, we're unlocking your hips, loosening your hamstrings, and restoring the energy your body's been holding hostage. Let's hit the mat. We start with rhythm, movement, breath. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, hips low, chest lifted. Begin pulsing gently forward and back. This isn't a static stretch, it's a gentle awakening. You're signaling your hips it's time to move today. I promise this one will unlock stiffness and prepare your lower body for everything that comes next. Beginners hands on floor blocks. Advanced stretches add a gentle twist toward the front leg. Did you know your hip flexors tighten every hour you sit? Let's reverse that. Give me 3 slow pulses right here. Do you feel that opening in the front of your hip? If not, adjust your knee forward. Now switch sides. This next one always surprises people. Let's even things out. Step your left foot forward now. Repeat the same slow pulse forward and back. This side may feel tighter. That's normal. Most of us have an imbalance we didn't even realize until the stretch. I promise, unlocking both sides creates balance in your walk, your posture, your strength. Pulse for 3 more rounds. Can you go just 10% deeper than you did on the right? Does your left hip feel more stubborn? Maybe where your tension hides. That just activated your hip flow. Now we're going deeper. Let's bring your body into one of the most primal positions. Feet a little wider than hips. Drop into a deep squat. Elbows inside your knees. Palms together. Press the knees outward gently. Breathe here. You might feel wobbly, but your joints are remembering. I promise this movement improves ankle mobility, opens the hips, and resets your lower spine. Beginners stay higher if needed or hold onto a chair. Advanced stretches rock gently side to side to deepen the stretch. Here's a fun fact. Babies squat like this with perfect form. We're just getting back to what our bodies were born to do. Hold 5 more seconds. Can you press your knees open a bit more? Do your heels lift? That's a signal your ankles need love too. That just unlocked your back. Now let's give your lower spine a hug. Sit down, legs out. Pull your right knee into your chest. Wrap your arms around it and sit tall. Feel the stretch through your glutes and lower back. This is where relief starts. I promise this simple move will decompress your lumbar spine and reset your hips after that deep squat. Beginners use a towel strap around the shin. Advanced stretches pull the knee across the body slightly to increase the stretch. Tight glutes equals locked up lower back. But this move resets that relationship. Hold 5 seconds more. Close your eyes. Feel that release? Is your glute resisting or softening? Let's switch legs and go even deeper. Left knee in now. Same thing, toe spine, deep breath. This side might be louder. It's okay. I promise doing both sides helps rebalance the pelvis and ease the lower back tension that creeps in before lunch. Pull the knee 10% closer. You're stronger than you think. Where do you feel it more, hip or spine? You just reset your glutes. Now let's finish standing with the test of true mobility. Last one, let's finish tall. Stand up, hinge from your hips and fold forward. Knees can be soft or straight. Let your head hang, let your arms dangle. Breathe into the back of your legs. I promise, this full body fold decompresses your spine, releases your hamstrings, and recenters your mind. Beginners, bend knees and rest hands on thighs or shins. Advanced freshers, try toe sweeps, gently brushing your fingers side to side. Here's a surprising fact. The hamstrings are neurologically linked to your stress response. The more they release, the calmer you feel. Hold 5 more seconds. Can you melt down 1 inch deeper? Is your neck still tense? Shake it yes and no gently. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.